Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Madis here. So today I'm gonna make this 50-watt amplifier just by using a single IRF Z44 N, and let's see the power. And it's a 60-watt subwoofer, so you can understand that it's a powerful amplifier. So let's start the build. So you need a IRF Z44 N or any N-channel Mosfet, 100 to 150 kilo ohm resistance, it's 100K, and 100 microfarad capacitor. For big speakers I'm gonna use a 60-watt subwoofer and a coil. You can use any kind of coil or you can skip the coil section, it does not matter that much. And if you are using a small speaker or a low wattage speaker, just go for 4.7 or 1 microfarad capacitor or ceramic capacitors like 100 nanofarad, etc. So let's start the build. Before that, just have a look at the schematic. As I mentioned before, 100 kilo ohm resistance, and you can change the speaker you can change this capacitor according to the speaker, and you can skip this coil, but better to have it. Very easy and simple circuit. Let's start the build. It's audio jack with 2 wires. I'm gonna use this subwoofer. It's a 60-watt subwoofer and this coil. So I'm gonna use this 12-volt laptop charger as a power supply, and don't forget to attach a heatsink before connect the power supply. So the positive goes to this coil and the negative goes to the MOSFET. And let's turn on the power supply and check everything is working or not. I also hook up this tweeter with this subwoofer, but it have distortions cause you have to change this capacitor before using small speakers or tweeters, or this driver is made for this subwoofer. So let's test it. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. And you can make your own amplifier just by using this single MOSFET, or you can use 2 or 3 MOSFETs in a single board, and just by changing these capacitors you can drive tweeters and subwoofers separately, and that's gonna be a powerful amplifier. So keep visit to my channel for more videos, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.